Hello everyone, my name is Marcus Cohn and thank you for joining me on the fourth video of the Synology Solutions Seminars YouTube playlist. In this video we will be discussing storage for a multi-site deployment and how Synology can be utilized in this type of application. So let's dive right in. When implementing a storage solution for a multi-site deployment, there will be some considerable challenges that arise based on the fact that there are many devices and servers working in conjunction with one another. You need the ability to manage multiple servers. And coupled with that, you need to make sure the data between servers is synced so the data stays consistent. Having secure remote access is crucial, as you do not want people to have access to your data who should not have access to your data. And since you have so many different servers to manage, it is difficult to monitor the status of each, as you need to keep yourself informed of a failure so you can take action before it happens. Luckily, Synology NAS devices provide a solution to each of these challenges. We offer a centralized management system to help you manage multiple servers. A full syncing package called CloudStation ShareSync allows you to sync data between locations, keeping the data consistent. We offer Synology Quick Connect, which we discussed in an earlier video, but allows for that secure remote access. And we even have the ability to reduce your IT effort when trying to monitor multiple devices. So we're going to start off here with discussing our centralized management system, or CMS for short. This is an entirely free software package that allows you to manage up to 200 client servers from one host server. The host server needs to be at least a Plus series and allows for a great deal of centralized management. You can monitor the resource utilization of individual units from one central host, as well as set up and configure multiple servers at once from one user-friendly and centralized interface. You are also able to centralize your notifications and updates to one unit and easily push out either DSM or package updates to the client units. CMS allows for the easy management of remote devices, and I highly recommend checking this out if you need this functionality in your deployment. Now that you have centralized the management of your devices, you now need to make sure the data is consistent between the units. Let's say you have a unit in Seattle, a unit in LA, a unit in Texas, and a unit in Washington, DC. At each local office, you want to be able to utilize the local network speeds rather than connecting to a remote unit and having to rely on external internet connection just to access files. Because of this, you need to have consistent data at each location, and this is where CloudStation ShareSync comes into play. If you are already using CloudStation consistently with CloudStation Server on your NAS, CloudStation Drive on your computer, and DS Cloud on your mobile device, CloudStation ShareSync integrates very well. As you can see, CloudStation ShareSync is entirely a NAS to NAS syncing app and does not interfere with your existing CloudStation deployment. ShareSync actually offers some very cool features as well. So when initially setting up ShareSync, you're able to do one of three different sync types, either bidirectional, download only, or upload only. This software is very easy to set up when utilizing Quick Connect, as it does not require any complicated network management to make sure this sync is happening. We also support SSL network encryption, so the data is encrypted in transit, as well as supported encrypted shared folders, so the data is encrypted at rest as well. If you only want to sync certain files, we offer a full filter where you can specify which files you want to sync, so those large media files will not get synced up to the remote locations. So moving away from CloudStation ShareSync, Synology NAS devices offer three main ways to reduce your IT effort as your fleet of servers grow: notification, automation, and prevention. We offer more than 100 notification types, ranging from bad disk sectors to backup fail to a hardware fail. The list goes on and on. You are able to receive these notifications either via email, SMS, mobile app, or desktop notification. We offer many automation tools that allow you to automate certain management functions, such as powering on the unit once power is restored if the power goes out. You are also able to schedule the power on and off hours, so your NAS is only running during business hours, and even schedule the DSM updates to happen when the unit is not in use. Prevention is always important, as we want to be able to stop problems before they happen. You are able to schedule a security advisor scan so you can get a detailed view of the security of your unit. Coupled with this, you can schedule an antivirus scan to make sure your unit is free of malware. So as you can see, Synology offers many different options of how to reduce the IT effort when deploying units in a multi-site configuration. We also wanted to highlight a real-world use case of these technologies. Heartland Dental currently has over 750 dental offices throughout the US and are currently working on deploying a DS916 Plus to each location for their day-to-day data storage. They are utilizing our centralized management system to remotely manage the unit from their headquarters, as well as the automatic power recovery options in case the power goes out and they are unable to physically access the unit. We always like to highlight these use cases to show you guys how they can be applied in the real world. And with that, we come to the end of the 4th video of the Synology Solutions Seminars YouTube playlist. This video covered deploying Synology NAS devices in a multi-site configuration, and we covered centralized management, Cloud Station ShareSync, Synology Quick Connect, and how to reduce your IT effort. I want to thank you for listening. Please sit tight as the 5th video will start shortly.